ओह हे, a few days ago मैं जब YouTube पे स्क्रॉल कर रही थी मुझे एक वीडियो दिखा जिसका नाम था Things I Stopped Believing in and उसको देख के मैंने सोचा I too used to believe a lot of dumb things when I was little and that's how this video was made. I think one of the main things that I remember as a child was the phrase sun rises in the east and sets in the west. मेरा प्रॉब्लम था कि मैं ये फ्रेज को लिटरली लेती थी. Like I genuinely believed that the sun rose in the east and moved across the whole sky and then it would go down in the west. मैं सोचती थी कि सन कहीं वो माउंटेन्स के पीछे छुपा रहता है और सुबह होते ही उधर से निकल के बाहर आ जाता है, फिर पूरा स्काई घूम के वेस्ट में फिर से शाम को नीचे चले जाता है. What I could not understand was how did the sun magically shift places from west to east by the morning? Because अगर वो वेस्ट में सेट हो रहा है तो फिर से वो ईस्ट में से कैसे बाहर आ रहा है? I used to think that maybe sun came back to the east again during the night secretly so it could rise from there again. Yeah, I used to be pretty stupid. Speaking of the sky, I also used to think that the clouds would feel like soft cotton. I believed that they were solid and that if I went there and touched them, I can pull them apart like cotton candy. मैं ये believe करती थी until I was about 7 or 8 years old when I went to Vaishno Devi temple along with my family. And उधर हमको horses के ऊपर चढ़ के mountain पे जाना पड़ा. And मैं जैसे ऊपर चल रही थी, मैं सोचने लगी, वाह, I will finally be able to touch clouds. But time went on. हम ऊपर चलते गए, क्लाउड्स धीरे धीरे हमारे पास आए, बट आई कुड नेवर टच देम. इवेंचुअली मैं उनको देख भी नहीं पा रही थी. इट वॉज जस्ट वाइट फॉग ऑल अराउंड अस. एंड तब मेरी माँ ने बोला कि ये फॉग ही क्लाउड्स हैं, दैट दिस इज हाउ क्लाउड्स आर. एंड yeah, that's when I came to know that clouds are not actually solid. I was pretty disappointed. और एक थिंग मैं लिटरली लेती थी वो है दैट एवरी ह्यूमन लिव्स एग्जैक्टली 100 years. लाइक तुमने वो बहुत बार सुना होगा कि अ ह्यूमन्स लाइफ स्पैन इज 100 years. स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर अ किड यू ईदर लर्न दैट फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक्स और मे बी योर टीचर टोल्ड यू और समवेयर एल्स, बट तुमने ये बहुत बार सुना होगा. एंड फॉर मी दैट वाज द सेम केस. मेरे टेक्स्ट बुक्स में और हर जगह इट वाज मेंशन्ड दैट द लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ ह्यूमन्स वाज 100 years और मैं इसको लिटरली लेती थी. I believed that every person lived till they were 100. तो अगर मैंने कभी सुना कि somebody from our family or from our neighbor's family passed away, I used to think that they turned 100 years old and that's why they died. It used to give me such bad anxiety कि damn, मुझे बस exact 100 years है. I have to live my life to the fullest by then. और अभी बड़ा होने के बाद पता चला कि no, I don't have 100 years. I actually have less than that. And if somebody actually lives till they are 100, it's a pretty cool thing because so many die before reaching 100 itself. This other one that I used to believe in was that eating spinach will make you really strong like Popeye. तो सब लोगों को Popeye तो पता होगा. He, I think, is a sailor man who eats a can of spinach and immediately gains muscles and strength to defeat his enemies. I think this was the first time when I was actually interested in eating green vegetables. The cartoon did such a good job at showing that spinach was just this magical food that would make you strong immediately. And it looked so delicious in the cartoon that it made me want to eat it. So one day मैंने मेरी माँ से पूछा कि मुझे भी spinach खाना है. And she looked at me like, huh? And then when I ate it, I literally threw up. Because the taste was not what I imagined it at all. And also the fact that मुझे तब पता चला कि spinach was nothing but palak, which my mom made me eat every week. Speaking of vegetables, I think this is not something that just children believe in, but also a lot of adults, which is that eating carrots will make your eyesight better somehow. Guys, listen. Maybe this worked for you and your eyesight is actually better now, but I'm telling you from my own countless experiences that no, carrots do not make your shitty eyesight any better. So my nearsightedness started from when I was in 7th or 8th class and it just got worse since then. So I started wearing either glasses or contact lenses depending on the situation. But let me tell you, there was not a single thing or remedy that I did not try. And that included eating carrots. मेरी माँ और मेरी grandma भी, they would make me eat so many carrots since I got my sight. But no matter how many I ate, how many days I ate, nothing improved. In fact, my eyesight actually kept getting worse. Awesome. The last and final one, which I used to believe as a child, and this is my favorite story because I believed that Harry Potter was about ghosts. I thought that it was a horror movie series. And you know why मैंने वैसे सोचा? Because one day I was in my cousin's house and he had put on a Harry Potter movie on the TV and he, my dad and his dad were all watching it. I know now which movie it was because now I know everything about Harry Potter. It was the Deathly Hallows Part 1 movie. But at the time मुझे Harry Potter के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था. So I was curious about it and decided to join them. I remember this scene very well. It's the scene where Harry, Ron and Hermione are in Sirius's house and they hear some kind of sound coming from a cupboard. So they approach it slowly and then when they open the door, they find Kreacher the elf. That was the scene that we were watching at the time. Of all scenes. मुझे at the time वो सीन इतना भयानक लगा कि I was watching with my hands over my eyes. मैं सोच रही थी कि उस कबोर्ड में कुछ भयानक सा घोस्ट है and I was so afraid of it that I stopped watching right at the moment when they opened the cupboard door. I escaped from that room and decided that I will never watch Harry Potter again because I thought it was a horror movie. I kept on believing it until I was about 13 years old when I was scrolling through Amazon to buy the first book of the Twilight Saga. Yeah, I was very obsessed with the Twilight movies when I was like 11 to 13 years old. मैंने सारे Twilight movies भी देख लिए और फिर books पढ़ने के लिए Amazon पे गई थी. So as I was scrolling, just below the Twilight book, I found the first book of the Harry Potter series, which was Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. And its cover immediately caught my eye. उसका cover बहुत cute था with lots of drawings and it just looked really magical. Even though I kept telling myself that it was about ghosts and haunted stuff, I just wanted to give it a second chance because that book looked so pretty. तो मैं वो दोनों books को खरीदी and look, this is the funniest part. So मैंने first Twilight पढ़ना शुरू किया and then I decided to pick up Harry Potter and give it a chance. First मैंने एक chapter पढ़ा and I was immediately pulled into the story. It was nothing like I imagined. I was confused but I also wanted answers. So I read the second chapter as well that day and then third and then I ended up finishing the whole book within that week itself. And you know what? मेरी Twilight book उधर ही corner में पड़ी हुई थी all this time because I had completely forgotten about it. मैं इतना obsessed हो गई हैरी पॉटर से कि I just forgot about the Twilight book, which is very ironic if you ask me, and that's when my love for Harry Potter started. I think it's the favorite thing that happened in my life because me going from hating it and avoiding it because of a misunderstanding to now loving every bit of it is just funny AF. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Let me know what you believed as a child and when you found out that it was not the truth in the comments below. Also, thank you very much for supporting me. See you again in the next video.